Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Shorewood Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Jamesport, within 1.3 miles of South Jamesport Beach and 8.4 miles of Splish Splash, Shorewood Inn has accommodations with a garden and free Wi-Fi throughout the property as well as free private parking for guests who drive. Featuring a concierge service, this property also provides guests with a grill. Guests can have a drink at the snack bar. All rooms is equipped with air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with cable channels, a microwave, an electric teapot, a shower and a desk. The motel provides some rooms that have a patio, and the rooms come with a coffee machine. The rooms feature a private bathroom, a hairdryer and bed linen. The nearest airport is Long Island MacArthur Airport, 32 miles from Shorewood Inn. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.